Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is OpenGov by NextGen, technology for efficient citizen services. COVID-19 created a lot of problems: social distancing, economic downturn, fear of travel, communication gaps for obtaining government services, collaboration, consultation with village officials, and inter-citizen economic activities are disrupted. We did a needs assessment. 100% respondents said they had difficulty to obtain information from village officials. 75% had difficulties in communicating with village officials. OpenGov transforms the 100-year-old letter-based citizen services communication to the mobile. OpenGov makes connections, enables communication, facilitates citizen services. As an example, when a woman gets pregnant, she has to inform the midwife in the village to obtain services. Traveling is a high risk right now. With OpenGov, it's just one message. People also can find out the availability of village officials without visiting their office, and much more. Technical architecture, single application, multiple villages, each village is its own closed system, and with high degree of privacy. This is how the people will interact within their village. Now, by going to this link, you can experience the product, g.info.lk. And these are the login details you can use to log into the system. So this is our application. I'm going to sign in. PIN. So this is my village, officers, services, and other things. Now I will play you a video of our product. So you can select the language, district, your village. These are the village officials available, Grama Niladhari, and you can send messages to them. We have integrated Telegram into it. The citizens can obtain all the information related to citizen services in all 3 languages: English, Tamil, and Sinhala. Okay. Like I said earlier, you can go to this link, g.info.lk, use this NIC 123456780 and this PIN code to log in. OpenGov services, messaging, contacts, citizen services, events like funerals, almsgivings, and other events in the village, announcements, forum, plus trade wall and advertising. OpenGov innovates with local languages, effective communication, economic empowerment, social innovation, and more. Technologies, web and mobile, telco APIs from SMS to EasyCash, and much more. We are already partnered with Sri Lanka Grama Niladhari Association, which has 14,000 members who are village officials island-wide. The Asia Foundation provided us 12.7 million rupees of funding for this year. This is our expected growth. Current progress. We are working with 50 villages in Kandy districts. We have a bottom-up approach to improving communication with village officials, and we have trained villagers as well as officials in those 50 villages to use the system and promote the system. OpenGov will change communication, services, collaboration, engagement, and economic activity at a village level. Thank you.